Invoice number V7627. Today is January 6, 2023. We are video inspecting the living room / kitchen fireplace. Approximate height will be given at the end of this video. No cap currently. We do have a very severe negative pressure issue in this structure. Rotary cleaning has been performed and appears to be quite successful. Proceeding downward scan now. Height will be given at the end of this video.
So you get the comments every
Yep. First course of food tile down. We do have an open mortar joint all the way around. Right there, it's a little bit larger. See, it's wide open. Five. Of course, the tile is open as well. Back up there. Here's your open mortar joints all the way around. Here's where your flashing enters the structure. You see there's an open mortar joint right where that flashing is as well. It's approximately 10 feet down. Another open mortar joint right there. You can see it's wide open. It's 15 feet. And now entering the smoke chamber. Smoke chamber is parged. They're approximately 20 feet tall. 17 feet tall, flue tile to flue tile. And that concludes the video inspection for today. Further recommendations are to follow.